There were houses to the back of us, to the side of us, and to the street below, and that's where the problem came. The wind whipped up, the flames were up about 30, 40 feet high, and you hear pop, 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 sound like a war zone. In fact, there were two big explosions that actually shook the ground. And so I knew it was time to get out. There's time to be, brave, and there's a time to use some common sense, and common sense told me it's time to go.
We're doing pretty good. I think after we had 3 hours sleep in the past
I haven't
40
had
hours.
I haven't had any sleep.
And they want whatever that is. I let you have it. Actually, it was out in the backyard hosing things down because the embers were really going crazy. And then finally, the sky was just bright orange. And I go, we got to go now. And I think went at the right time, because all of a sudden you see, like a tree starting to burn. The embers were horrible. They were the ones who were starting fires in the houses.
Okay.
What was interesting for me was the realization as I was choosing things, the things that I didn't choose. And it wasn't, sometimes you'd look at something, you go, you know what, I've had that for almost all my life, but you know what, I can let that go. I can let it go. I can let it go. And then I took photographs and things that meant something, a little figurine that my daddy bought for me when I was 5, or those kinds of things. So that was the kind of stuff I was thinking about, and the realizations that I had when I was going through that.
Water, Gatorade.
Hey, you see those two DMs? They're right there. Get a couple Gatorades. Get a couple Gatorades. You Gatorade? Yeah.
When I went out to check. And that's an Altadena. All I can say is they can only do so much. Because when that wind gets too high, there's just nothing they can do except watch.